Tired of booking a hotel only to find out your pet isn't welcome? Here's how to find pet-friendly hotels on Expedia in seconds. No more scrolling through dozens of listings, no more surprises at check-in, and definitely no more hidden fees that blow your budget. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to filter for pet-friendly stays and read the fine print before you click that Book Now button. Alright, here's what we're going to do. I'll show you exactly where to click, from the homepage to the pet filter, so you never waste time again. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and head over to Expedia.com. You can use the app too if you prefer, but for this walkthrough, we'll use the website since the buttons are basically the same. Once the page loads, you'll see the main navigation bar right across the top. Now click on Stays. This is usually the first option in that main menu. It's what tells Expedia you're looking for a hotel room and not a flight or a rental car. One click and you're on the right track. Next, fill in your search details. Enter your destination city or area, pick your travel dates, and tell Expedia how many guests are coming. This part matters because the pet-friendly results will also show you room sizes and bed configurations that work for your group. And here's the thing, if you're bringing a large dog or multiple pets, you'll want to keep an eye on room capacity later. So get that info in now. Then click the big search button. The page will reload and show you a list of available hotels. This might take a moment to process, so just hang tight. Now for the key step. On the results page, you need to find the filters section. It's usually on the left-hand side, just below the search bar. Look for a heading that says something like amenities or property features. That's where Expedia hides the options that matter most to pet owners. Scroll down until you see pet friendly. It's usually near the top of that list, but if you don't spot it right away, just keep scrolling. Click the checkbox next to it. One little click, and suddenly every hotel that doesn't accept pets vanishes from your screen. The results update instantly, showing you only the places that welcome your furry friend. Review the updated results. You'll see rates, star ratings, and photos, all filtered for pet-friendly properties. Take a moment to scan through. Some hotels will even have a small paw print icon next to them, which is a nice visual confirmation. Now for the most important part. Select a hotel that catches your eye. Click on its name or image to open the full listing page. Before you get too excited about the pool or the free breakfast, scroll down to the fine print. Look for a section called Pet Policy or House Rules. This is where you'll find the specifics, like a nightly fee of say $30 per pet, a weight limit of 50 pounds, or a restriction on certain breeds. Sometimes a hotel says pet-friendly but only allows cats or small dogs, or they charge a non-refundable cleaning fee on top of everything. I've personally seen properties that advertise pet-friendly but actually require your pet to stay in a crate when you're not in the room, which might not work for everyone. So read this section carefully. It could save you a headache at check-in. Once you're happy with the policy, you can proceed to booking with total confidence. No surprises, no stress. And that's it. You now know exactly how to find pet-friendly hotels on Expedia, from the very first click to the final confirmation. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out, and subscribe for more no-nonsense travel tips. Happy travels to you and your four-legged co-pilot.